Today is Thursday, the 17th of February of 2011. Welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Miguel Vences, a mentor and an analyst here in Grok Trade, to bring you the report of the activities in the market today, a day that ended up in the green. All around, the Dow Jones 0.23%, the S&P 500 0.28%, Nasdaq 0.20%, and Russell's leading the movement today 0.68%, and a very light decrease in the VIX of 0.8%. So the markets refuse to go down. As you can see in the intraday chart, we started the day with a movement to the downside, and almost immediately we started this orderly movement to the upside. Just look at this. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Just a couple of moments of basing, like right here in these two 15-minute bars. Same deal right here, a little base during the middle of the day. 30 more minutes of bullish activity and basing, basing, basing. So today we never look back. Today was actually an ideal situation for our 30-minute strategy, and all of our students know very well the reasons we look for the 30 minutes after the open and all the great opportunities we could find here. But just look at this. This was precisely the ideal situation for this strategy. Now, looking at the big picture, what ended up happening today is that we made very good use of this very small space in between the trend line that we have right here in blue and where we opened today. So even though yesterday we were very close to this line of resistance, however, today we squeezed in the little space that we created just by moving one bar to the right. And we're once again, right at resistance. And we can see that this line has been very strong when we have not violated it yet. And I just drew this line right here. Let me show you. From these high lows, resistance, 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 we didn't quite make it here, but right here, once we look at the close-up, I'm looking that it might have some significance. Look at here, we close right at that line. This day we go over it, and the following day, we dance around, we go under, but then once we get above that line, we have touch and go, we close right at that line, touch and go, touch and go. So it might be a line. I'm going to be looking at it as the days go by to see if it's a strong line of support. But as of right now, it looks to have some significance to it. So once again, the markets are up. They refuse to go down. And as savvy traders, we do not try to anticipate the move. We just trade what we see. And what we see right here is that we have this very strong level of resistance. And until we break out of that level, I'll be very cautious as far as getting into any more long positions. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.